Welcome to our channel CSIR-NET Unit Wise Reference Book for Life Science. Molecules and their interactions relevant to biology is Unit 1. Top reference book Leninger, Principle of Biochemistry by David Nelson and Michael M. Hawks. This is the Principle of Biochemistry. Second reference book Biochemistry by David White and White is the Biochemistry, Molecules and their interactions relevant to biology reference book. Another one, Enzyme, Biochemistry, Biotechnology, Clinical Chemistry by CSIR. And Unit 2, Cellular Organization. Top reference book, the name is Cell and Molecular Biology, Concept and Experiment by Gerald Karp. This is an important one. Molecular Biology of the Cell by Bruce Alberts, Alexander Johnson, Julian Lewis, Molecular Biology of Cell. Another one, Molecular Cell Biology by the author name is Ludis. Cellular Organization. Another one, Cell and Molecular Biology, Experiments by Credited Cork. Prescott, Microbiology by John Wiley. Unit 3, Fundamental Process. Book name is Molecular Biology of the Gene by James Watson. And Principle of Biochemistry, Leninger and David Nelson and Michael. And Molecular Cell Biology by Harvey and Arnold. Fundamental Process, Cell and Molecular Biology Concept by Gerald Karp. Fourth unit, Cell Communication and Cell Signaling. The name is Molecular Biology of the Cell by Bruce Alberts, Alexander Johnson and Julian. So Cell and Communication and Cell Signaling reference book, Molecular Cell Biology by Harvey, Ludis, Arnold, Berg. And Cell and Cell Signaling, Cell and Cell Molecular Biology Concept and Experiments by Credited Cork. The top reference book, Cell Communication and Cell Signaling, Kirby, Immunology by Thomas. Cell Communication and Cell Signaling top reference book, Reuters, Essential Immunology. Unit 5, Developmental Biology. Top reference book, Unit 5, Developmental Biology by Scott and Principle of Development by Lewis and Taxonomy, Anatomy, Embryological and Economic Botany by Pandey. And Unit 6, System Physiology, Plant. System Physiology, Animal, Coitum and Hall, Textbook of Medicinal Physiology. Textbook of Medicinal Physiology. and system physiology animal, human anatomy and physiology, and schemans outline of human anatomy and physiology. Another unit 7, system physiology animal. Animal physiology by Gerald Dordora. This is the principle of anatomy physiology, top reference books. Unit 8, inheritance biology, the top reference book. Genetics, a molecular approach by Peter Razile, inheritance biology reference book. And another one, inheritance biology reference book, Principles of Genetics by Peter Mustard, Michael Simmons. And another one, inheritance biology top reference books, Genes by Benjamin Levin. Unit 9, diversity of life forms. Top reference book, Unit 9, Taxonomy, a textbook and reference book by Richard Blockweiser. Diversity of life forms, Unit 9, top reference book, Plant Systematics by Kuncharan Singh. Diversity of life forms, top reference books, Ecology and Environment, P.D. Sharma. Ninth unit, diversity of life forms, top reference books, Plant Pathology by George Agrees. Unit 10, Ecological Principles. The top reference books, Basic Ecology, Fundamentals of Ecology by Eugene Odom. Ecological Principle, Unit 10, top reference books, Ecology, Environmental Science and Conservation by S.P. Singh, J.S. Singh. Ecological Principles, top reference books, Elements of Ecology, 18 edition, Thomas Mr. Smith. Unit 11, Evolution and Behavior. Evolution and Behavior, top reference book, Animal Behavior on Evolutionary Approach by John Algar. Evolution and Behavior, top reference book, Stitch Birch's Evolution by Mono. Evolution and Behavior, top reference book, Evolution by Douglas Pituma. Unit 12, Applied Biology. So, Applied Biology, top reference book. So, plant breeding. And methods in biology, Unit 13. Principles of Gene Manipulation and Genomics by Sandy Primos. Next one, top reference book, Methods in Biology, Gene Cloning and DNA Analysis and Introduction by T.A. Brown. And Methods in Biology, Molecular Cloning, Laboratory Manual by Joseph